I'm hungry.
Hi viewers, welcome to Taj Foods. Today we're making the delicious jumbo samosas Taj Food style. So without further ado, let's begin. If you like our videos, click the red subscribe button. Next to it, click the bell icon and you'd get notifications for our recipes for free. Don't forget to like, share and comment. So in a bowl, we'll add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then to that, we will add 1.5 teaspoons of Ajwain to the flour. Then we'll add a teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can use any cooking oil you wish. Now mix. After that, add water as needed. This depends obviously on the climate, the humidity and the temperature. Now what you have to do is form a dough. You need to knead this dough properly. Now leave the dough aside for half an hour. In the meantime, let's move on to our mashed potatoes. So here we have 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Now obviously we need to mash the potatoes. You can use a fork to do this. So the ingredients that we need to add to our mashed potatoes is a small handful of coriander, 2 green chili peppers and 2 medium onions diced. Okay, let's move on to the spices. These consist of half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of fenugreek leaves, half a teaspoon of uncrushed cumin, 1 teaspoon of uncrushed coriander, 1 teaspoon of salt. So we add all the spices to the ingredients. Now we need to mix thoroughly to ensure all the yummy ingredients are mixed together. Here we are, all our potatoes are mixed and mashed properly. Here we are 30 minutes after we made our dough. So now what we have to do is divide the dough into jumbo balls to make our samosas. Once the dough are made into balls, we need to take each ball of the dough and make them into round circles. Followed by that, what we have to do now is simply cut the circle into half to make 2 semicircles. And then we'll fold the semicircle like so to make it into a samosa shape, add the fillings and set aside. This is how simple it is. Repeat this step to make all the samosas. Now it's time to fry our samosas. This takes approximately 7 to 8 minutes to fry a samosa. Here we are, time to dish out. Here we are, our delicious samosas are ready. It's best served with homemade sauce. If you'd like the recipe for our homemade sauce, please comment down below and I'll definitely make it. Enjoy!
I'm hungry.